Let's make a whole gnocchi dinner on one sheet pan. When you roast gnocchi on a sheet pan, it stays pillowy and soft inside, but gets these like crispy edges. And it's absolutely perfect roasted up with mushrooms and onions. And then right before it's done, you add white beans and baby greens to the pan and toss it in all this beautiful dressing, and then roast it again just until the greens wilt and the white beans are warmed up. It is a super delicious dinner that my family absolutely loves, and there's only about 10 minutes of active cooking time. Most of the work happens in the oven, and you don't have to be there for it. If you like this recipe, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is just a simple balsamic salad dressing, and you can actually use this dressing on salads. It is delicious. So grab yourself a bowl or a jar with a tight-fitting lid and add olive oil, balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, agave nectar, onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and salt. Then either whisk that together really well in the bowl, or if you're using a jar like me, close the lid and then shake it well to mix that all together. Now grab yourself a sheet pan and add sliced mushrooms, chopped onion, and your gnocchi. You can use shelf-stable or frozen gnocchi. If you're using frozen, just thaw it before you use it. For the mushrooms, I like to buy mine already sliced because that saves me some work in the kitchen, but you can also buy whole mushrooms and slice them if you like doing more work. Pour on about half of the dressing, then toss that all together so everything gets coated in all those flavors. Now pop that in the oven for about 20-25 minutes. You're ready to pull it out when the gnocchi is a little bit browned and the mushrooms are nice and soft and they're starting to be a little browned and crispy too. We're going to cook this again, but just for a few minutes, so you want everything to be pretty much done at this point. Now add a drained can of white beans, and then add either baby spinach, baby kale, or some other quick wilting green of choice. Pour on the rest of the dressing, and then toss it all together to coat really well again. Pop that back in the oven for about 5 to 7 more minutes until the greens are nice and wilted. Now pull it out, stir it all together, and you are ready to serve. I like to dish this up with a little vegan Parmesan cheese on top and a sprinkle of crushed red pepper. This sheet pan gnocchi tastes delicious day of, but it also keeps like a dream. So you can store it in the fridge for like 3 to 4 days and use the leftovers for lunches or for quick dinners. It's perfect for meal prep and it's just so delicious. I hope that this video answers all of your questions about how to make this gnocchi sheet pan dinner. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I am always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!